More money doesn't fix bad habits. It actually exposes them. And let me break it down for you. If you cannot manage a little trading capital and produce profits consistently over a period of time, why do you think that once you get a big trading capital, everything will just change? Just like in real life, in trading, the principle is simple. To whom much is given, much is expected. But before much is given, what have you done with the little you have? If you blow small accounts back to back over trading, ignoring your plan, a bigger account will only make the damage worse. Master risk management, master patience, master discipline, so that when more comes, you are ready for it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and follow.